So right now I'm actually currently getting ready and we are going to Rockwell power plant because I planned this surprise for ONUR. If you guys don't know, and I have to whisper, ONUR hasn't been home to Turkey for like 5 or 6 years now. We had a lot of things to do here, so it got delayed for a long time. Then I'm watching this girl. She's a vlogger she's from the Philippines. She's a Filipina, but she's married to a Turkish guy, so they both live in Turkey. Like, I think last week I saw that they're visiting the Philippines and now they're currently here. Today we're gonna meet up in Rockwell power plant, and ONUR has no idea that he's gonna meet a new Turkish friend, which is the husband of Honeylou. So I'm actually excited for that. Like, personally, I don't know any other Filipina who's married to a Turkish guy. Like, I know there are many, but I just don't know them yet. Like, I have not met them. I don't know anyone personally. I hope this surprise will go well. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and then show you guys what's next. And my good friend Jem is also back here in the Philippines. She's in Manila right now. So if there's time after the meetup with Honeylou and Gunnar, I am going to visit her. So it's already almost 4 and we need to get going because our meetup is going to be at 6. And I'm also not super familiar with Makati and power plant mall, so I still need to find the Starbucks there. Actually, it's so hard to surprise ONUR because he always asks me where we're going. Even if I told him to just wait, he still asks me. Like, he asked me since yesterday, he still asked me again today. But I said, I'm sorry, I can't tell you where we're going. But yeah, he's gonna see in 2 hours. These are the gifts pala that I'm gonna be giving them. So we have here this lemon peppermint healing balm, and then I have here a lavender healing balm. So I just wrapped them in this ribbon, and then this is gonna be for Honeylou. It's the magic color balm, and then also a shocking stain, and then they're also gonna get these more balms. I want her also to give this to her mother-in-law and sister-in-law or whoever wants it there. So this is gonna be all for Honeylou. This is for Jem. These 2 for Jem, 1 for Gunnar and 1 for Honeylou. Are you excited?
I'm just wondering.
Huh?
I'm just wondering what's the place.
You don't know? You don't know? You don't know where we're going?
No,
We're in Power Plant Mall.
okay, so what's special about it?
Nice mall. ONUR, what did you order? Surprise! Oh, surprise! Remember him?
Yeah, I know him. Like,
Yeah?
I said
Hello! Thank you! Hello! You guys, we're with Honeylou. And if you don't know her, she's the vlogger. What's your channel?
Filipina living in Turkey.
So I had to set up this surprise for ONUR kasi I learned that they're coming back to the Philippines. And they're here. They're here. Yes, Gunnar and ONUR.
Nakakatawa naman.
Say hi to your subscribers.
Hi!
This is really like I planned this.
So, kasi Honor hasn't been home for 5 years. So, I think this is the perfect chance, di ba? Yung timer mo ito. Isa pa. Ano yung ano mo? Ano yung
Ano, ito?
So, Honeylou, how's your naman stay in the Philippines after so many years?
So far, okay naman siya. Kaya lang, naawa lang ko sa mga bata.
Na-miss mo ba yung Philippines?
Oo naman, Jollibee. Jollibee ang namiss
Jollibee
ko.
doon?
Anong Jollibee doon?
Oh my God.
Mga pinakbet.
Walang any restaurant ng like Filipino restaurant.
Meron naman, kaya lang sa Istanbul.
Ay, in Istanbul
So,
pa.
oo, malayo yun sa...
Eh kasi ano na, tourist spot talaga yun.
Mm.
Did you miss about the Philippines?
I miss, ayun nga, food, yung ambience.
Ay, yung ambience.
Oo.
How about the people?
Of course, yung mga people, mga friends ko.
So, pero she told me nga her friends are older than her. Mga how old yung mga friends?
Ano, 65,
65,
74.
okay. At least friends, real friends,
Oo,
right?
friends. At saka talagang maaasahan mo.
Pero how's what food did you miss the best here in the Philippines?
Mga street food.
Street food, okay.
Taho, mga ganyan. Yung mga typical Filipino food ba? Mga adobo.
Okay.
Ano ta adobo? Pinakbet.
Pinakbet.
Oo, pinakbet talaga. Ayun talaga yung the best.
Pero sino yung una mong minute kung nandito ka? Your family, of course.
Of course.
Did you surprise them or hindi?
Ay, I surprised them ha?
Surprise?
Hindi nila alam na uuwi ako.
Oh, paano? Like, how did you tell them? How did you plan it?
Ayun nga, I told my brother na I ordered food from Jollibee.
Oo.
Sabi ko, pick upin niyo sa Jollibee. Tapos ayun nga, nung lumingon na nga siya, nandun na, surprise na
Oh my God, di nagulat sila.
Oo, gulat na gulat girl. Iyak na iyak yung
Oh my
anak
God.
ko.
So, si pala, you were with Barbie then, di ba?
Oo. Okay.
So, na-miss mo si ano naman yung son?
Si Nesta.
Kamusta naman si Nesta?
Ayun, super sweet. Mabait. Mabait yung anak. Okay naman siya. He's okay.
She has, 3 kids, pero look naman.
Ay,
Slim na
grabe.
slim pa din.
Thank you.
What's your tip nga sa mga mom na, diet ba?
Hindi, marunong na kumain.
Galaw ka talaga ng galaw siguro.
Oo, syempre naman.
Ito may
Tatuan
problema
ako
ko eh. Yung may puso.
Pare-parehas din naman tayo.
Wala siguro ng girl. Paano mo nasama si Goner coming here?
Eto nga, eto yung biggest biggest revelation. Alam niyo bang siguro yung bumili ng ticket?
Surprise?
Surprise niya rin ako.
Oh my God,
Diba, nakakaloka?
Sinusurprise siya.
Pero ang plano talaga namin, ako lang uuwi.
Okay.
Pati si Barbie at saka si Yaren. Tapos nagulat ako na gusto niya na rin sumama. Oh, that's good, di ba?
Okay. Wow, sinurprise ka pala ni Goner. Hindi, parang unexpected yun kasi
Unexpected,
no
girl.
plans naman,
Oo.
di ba? Kaya saya mo.
Sobra. Kaya yung 2 months na preparation ko, na bili ng ganito, ganyan.
Yeah. Tapos namili ka di ba ng pasalubong?
Oo.
Nagustuhan ba nila?
Oo naman, nagustuhan naman nila.
Siguro pagkahag sa'yo, binuksan na agad.
Ay, hindi.
Yung
Hindi
baggage.
na binuksan kasi nga, di ba, naiwanan ko nga na-delay nga yung
flight.
pagkain
Hindi nagtay kayo dun sa
Hindi, tinawagan na lang kami na for pick up yung mga bagahe. After 2 days, tsaka dumating yung bagahe namin.
Okay. Pero si Barbie and the baby, they're here
Oo.
right now. Tapos, parang bonding sila ngayon, brother and sister. Who's the eldest?
Si Nesta.
Nesta. Pero makakasama na siya.
Oo, inshallah.
Kasama
inshallah.
na siya.
Dito.
Makakasama siya. This year or now?
Ito na. Alam mo yung asin ko? Asin ko. Parang gold asin na. Bago kumain, sabi na. Ito na ba? Bakit? Enjoy your
We're in Urban Deca Homes. Nor.
Is it working na? Is it working na? Salis mo yun.
Urban Deca Homes. Yeah.
Please. Then, Urban Deca Home.
Urban Deca Home.
Tamang patron.
Ano yan? Cup. Honor, what brand is that? What brand?
Torku.
Torku. Is it like Nutella?
Öyle.
O da Nutella tarzı ya. İşte Türk malı.
Yan, mayroon siyang ano, may kinakain donut sa ano. Is it ano, Honor, like Nutella?
Güzel Nutella'da.
Sarap.
Orada var mı başka Fransız?
Var bekle.
Sarap na sarap.
Bir sürü var öbür evde. Burayı sadece arkadaşına getirecek.
So we got back. It's already, what time na ba? It's already 5:41 a.m. Sobrang morning na kami nakauwi. We left Honeylou's place, I think, around almost 4 na. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my makeup, wear my PJs, and then hit the sheets.